Alright, so it is Saturday, May 21st, 2022. It's about 1 in the afternoon. It's almost 1 in the... It's 6 till 1 in the afternoon. It's 12:54 p.m. And it's in 88 degrees right now, according to Leesburg. So, anyways, we're gonna be cleaning this thing. I got the water turned on and everything. I got the disconnect ready to pull out. So we're gonna shut off the air conditioner here. So let's shut it off for the cleaning. Man, it's really hot out. Let's shut it off.
Have you ever done this?
I've turned off the breaker. Alright, so now that we got it shut off, so now we're gonna... Wait, don't touch anything yet. Well, yes, obviously the most important part, before everyone knows this, the most important thing to do before doing any work on your air conditioner, everyone knows this. Turn off all power. That means, yes, I know which ones. That means turn off the breaker, flip the disconnect. Alright, finally got this thing open. This one, actually I forgot which one is AC. Okay, that's number 16. This shuts it off. Alright, so we just shut it off. We just shut it off, everyone. Now we're going to go. I'm going to get some leather gloves. Hold on. I'm going to get leather gloves just in case. But I think it might be okay to work on the disconnect box. Alright, so we just flipped the AC off on the circuit breaker. So it's shut off. So that means this thing needs to be pulled. Right here, this is what the inside of the disconnect looks like. How do I get this out? Out.
I think we gotta look this up first.
I don't know.
Just cut your video off for a second.
Alright, so we need to figure out something. So we'll be back. Alright, so we pulled the disconnect out finally. Alright, so we should be able to just kind of... There we go. We can set this on top of here. Well, there we go. Alright, well, let's get the hose. I got this. Well, let's get to work. Start working on our air conditioner. I'm actually going to turn this on full blast. Just in case. Alright, well, there we go. I might need to put the back door of my GoPro on. I'm gonna put the back door on my GoPro just in case. Hold on, let me put the back door on. Put this on. Alright, so I just put the back door on, so it's safer now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. whole puddle of water in there. Vines are a pain. Let's get these out of here. Not know we had vines growing on our air conditioner either. Wash underneath the pad too. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that definitely looks much better. That looks much better. Oh, stuff coming off. Get all that off.
There's starting to be water pulling up in there. That's good.
Alright, apparently we gotta stop the water for now. Because it's cooling up in there for some reason. Let's let it drain out and then we'll come back to cleaning for now. So yeah. This is what it looks like so far.
It's terrible.
Looks much cleaner than it would before.
Look at it, really.
So yeah, we'll be back after it drains a little bit. Alright, so let's get back to cleaning, I guess. Where were we? We were down in here. So let's get the back door around and let's get back to cleaning. That's disgusting. Get it in there. Oh, yeah, looking a lot better. There's a rainbow here. Looking a lot better. Much cleaner. Up. In there's a whole ton of crap. Alright, well, time to get the top, I guess. Clean that part up. Next to the line. It always gets cold and sweaty. Crap, there's like another pool of water in there. Alright, let's go. Everyone knows this trick. Everyone knows that. give it another drain. Shall we? Yeah, let's give it. So we're gonna give it another couple seconds to drain. Good old spinny spin spin. Everyone knows that trick. Good old spinny spin spin. I don't know. I was just having some fun here. Everyone has fun at least once cleaning it. So yeah, we're gonna let this we're gonna let that drain because that's kind of backed up in there. Kind of wish we could get underneath it. Man, the compressor just looks brand new because it's just so shiny. This is what happened. See, it literally looks brand new. So yeah, we're gonna wait a few more minutes, and then we're gonna do that again, and then we're gonna start up the AC again after it drains a little bit, and then we're gonna get in there a little bit more, and then we're gonna fire her up again. It's a good cleaning. Unfortunately, I can't get the stuff in the bottom because that's just gonna stay there. I might be able to, but I doubt it. Since there's so much in there, it's just gonna keep piling up in there. So yeah, let's. You can kind of. 2012, 2.5 tons. I'm just having too much fun, am I? Alright, so it looks like we're done here. Let's turn off the water. So it looks like we're done here. I'm gonna let this thing dry for a little bit, and then we're gonna get that disconnect back in, and then a full breaker, and then we're gonna turn it back on. So I'll be back once it dries all the way now. Alright, so it looks sort of dry enough, so time to fire this thing back up. Let's put the disconnect back in, I guess. So yeah, we're gonna put the disconnect back in, and I think make sure you put it in the right way. Alright, well, there we go. Looks like we're good for now. Make sure we're gonna go flip back on the breaker, and then we're gonna turn on the unit. So let's go downstairs and turn on the breaker, I guess. So this is the AC right here, and let's flip that back on. There we go. Turn it back on. Well, not actually on, but you know, we turn the power on for the AC. Yeah, I'll let you know. Not right now, obviously. Alright, so We're about ready to fire this thing back up. So, hit it. That thing sounds much better. This sounds much better than it did before. Although the only problem is this does rattle some more. This does rattle though. You can hear the compressor a lot more now. Oh yeah, that's much better airflow now, too. Well, looks like we're good. We cleaned it. You can hear the compressor much more now. So yeah, we cleaned it. So I guess out. Thanks for watching.